Michael, see you then. Thank you. Happening right now, it is the first day of hurricane season, and the Tarpon Springs Public Safety Facility is at the epicenter of hurricane readiness. Today is the first day of the season, and they've got a huge expo going on out there, giving folks a chance to get prepared for what is expected to be a busy storm season. 10 Tampa Bay's Nick Volturo is there, joining us live with more on what you need to know to weather any storm. Good morning, Nick.
Hey, good morning, Eric. And yes, this expo is your express lane to readiness. I mean, just look at how many people have come out, and really knowing what to do in these situations can make all the difference between calm and chaos when that severe weather strikes. I'm here with Mark from Pinellas County, and you have a sandbag station set up because a lot of times people get these sandbags, they don't know how to use them, and they have a very specific use for very specific situations.
That's correct, Nick. I mean, yes, so sandbags are great up to about 15 inches of water. You know, if you're going to have storm surge, you're expecting more from that, it's probably best just to plan on evacuating. But the more important part right here is this plastic layer here. That keeps the water out, and the sandbags, you want to get in 2 layers, but their main purpose is to kind of give that weight there to keep them from blowing away, but you're essentially keeping that plastic there in place to prevent the water from getting into your home.
You know, Pinellas County just set another station up with pre-filled sandbags over at the county waste department. You have another one right up the road. How important is to get these now rather than scramble and have to call an audible when you know the weather is going to come?
Right, it's a good point. I think it's just mostly to help people reduce their stress, get them now in May, June, before that season, before those storms are approaching. It's just one less thing to do to prepare as that storm is bearing down on us.
But it really is important to be prepared. We see a lot of times there's calls to evacuate. People don't evacuate because the Tampa Bay area hasn't been hit directly since 1921. Do you think people have sort of got complacent and really need to start heeding those warnings?
There is a tendency to kind of get complacent on these things. So this is our reminder. This is our wake-up call. Every year we do these just to remind folks that, hey, hurricanes are a possibility here in Florida. Let's get ready early. Let's get ready now.
You know, this expo has to make you pretty encouraged because you see such a large turnout of people. They're getting their hurricane kits, getting some of those essentials, which is extremely important because we know weather can change on a dime.
Yes, we know the Florida weather changes quickly. We've got stuff happening in the tropics all the time, probably right now. So let's just go ahead and get ready early, folks.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's the important thing. Make sure you get ready ahead of time. You don't want to have to call an audible in the 11th hour. You want to have all those necessities on hand for if and when severe weather strikes. For now, reporting live at Tarpon Springs, Nick Volturo, 10 Tampa Bay.
Wow, Nick, that place is rocking. Okay, thank you very much.